Hello, my name is Kyle Bradshaw from Nelson-Rigg, and today I want to share with you a product that I never leave home without. Whether I'm on the sport bike, the adventure bike, the touring bike, this goes with me everywhere. This is our RG-055. This is the small tool roll. This tool roll is held together with a hook and loop closure, and on the inside of the tool roll, you're going to notice a nice bright orange interior. This is perfect for when you're out there in the real world using tools and laying them down that don't get lost in the ground and the tools don't blend in with the pavement. As every motorcycle or power sport vehicle out there is different, your tool requirements are different. We've therefore made a universal tool roll that has plenty of space for all the tools that you need to take with you. Now this here is just an abbreviated example of how you can use this toolkit. My personal kit is completely loaded with tools as I ride with lots of different motorcycles, and actually out in the real world, this is what it looks like. Now the overall size of this tool roll is 13 3/4 inches by 10 inches. It's just the perfect size to take with you wherever you go. I have over 13 pounds of tools in my personal kit. Now having personally used this tool roll on so many trips over the last 3 or 4 years, I can tell you that I don't go anywhere without it. Now this is a piece that is durable, easy to use, and one I recommend you add to your kit. I'm Kyle Bradshaw from Nelson-Rigg. Thanks for watching. Till next time, take care and ride safe out there.